in a bigger field.
Oh no, see, I'll take. Wow, that's what I said to you. Let's find out whose car it is.
Oh, no, no. Still put that back together.
Is that your car there, young man? Yeah, that plane just went through the back window.
Oh. Well, yeah, I need to give you some details so I
Yeah.
can pay for the window.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, sorry about that.
Right. Yeah,
Keep an eye on my plane, don't stand on it.
auto glass are open at the minute, aren't they? On just the bottom of the road. Glass everywhere.
So I must admit, at least they picked a better place to go through, isn't it?
So it landed right in the car.
Nice of
Yeah,
you.
I just pulled it out.
Come on, go away, we're all away from here. What frequency on me, are mate? What channel? What channel is on it anyway, matter of interest?
1.
Oh, so I'm going to fly mine in a minute.
I don't know, I didn't even know.
Fucking hell, do you see it go? Yeah, first time it's through.
Oh, dude, what is it? With a bang. Oh, there's black as you fucking out.
Look, it went a couple of cars down, it would have been mine. Glad you didn't hit my car. I'm just checking to see what frequency they were on. This is what I'm on about. You need bigger room. They're lethal, that's what I'm saying. They're not easy, they're lethal. He said to me when he had those, he said, shit, that's hard. I'll tell you what. So you consider it's just gone straight for a car windscreen.
It's battered.
No, but it's done a... It flew it quite... No, it ain't done a lot of damage to it, really. Yeah. Never mind. This shit happens. I wanted to film. Just get my camera out. I thought, let me film that. I looked at the car. I thought, whose car's that?
It was showing off. You should have stayed like that.